political consensus?
I think, the Supreme Court decision has the full support of the nation and the country. Today, all parties supported the date of, although they didn't announce in the court, but they said that 14th May is the final date from the Supreme Court. They will sit again at 4 o'clock. But they said the Constitution and the law is more important than anything, and that law gives only 90 days.
But we've obviously heard multiple times that it's too difficult to arrange the logistics, too difficult to arrange the defence part of it. How realistic is it that is going to be followed?
But inside, everybody was united. Everybody, all the 11 parties said that we are ready on one-day election. So he has extended the court up to 4 o'clock. Come with the new date if you are ready in a one-day national and provincial assembly election. Then you have to finish the National Assembly and come with the date.
How important is the Punjab election? Making sure that this is on a particular date.
Punjab election, yes. Somebody requested for the extension of the Punjab election date, but Supreme Court said no, 14 is the last date, and up to 17th you have to arrange the money.
But what sort of precedent does it set? Is that why?
One-sided election. PTI is going to sweep. There is no election. This is the PTI election, and PTI will sweep. Maybe the other party will boycott because they don't have a vote and support.